Yes you are. Look at yourself. You can still be calling yourself a developer, mate. Prompting from the toilet seat, tweeting in between. We need a cooler name now. How about AI augmented engineer? Gone are the days when you could write code without constant access to the internet. Now it's all MCP this, MCP that, stateful servers. 90% of SaaS products were all simple wrappers around Elasticsearch, enterprise search, but with a twist. So let's not dwell on the latest trend, where 90% of new companies build simple wrappers around LLMs. Let's instead make fun of AI bros' technical breakthroughs. Like reinvention of the CSV, proudly demonstrated. Like, what up? I got a big... I know I'm beating a dead horse here, but let's not forget some of the honorable mentions. Tron reinvents object-oriented notation to pass plaintext class definition with initialization. Vector database is in fact just an index executing k-nearest neighbors math formula on a list of floating point numbers. And finally, we can't not mention LangGraph, QAI and other multi-agent frameworks are just actor model services from 50-year-old distributed systems theory. Look, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. So you will have to forgive me for jesting at some of these inventions. I'd rather make my own bare-bones MC-P. Better yet, who even needs all of this extensibility?
Get that out of here!
And just give me the fucking executable. Come on, didn't my people suffer enough? I just want our dearest model providers to bake all of this nonsense into their crappy services. Is it too much to ask? Give me a switch to toggle what should be used for this here project. Or you know what? A prompt. A little prompt. I've seen it and I said, wow, this is a little prompt. And be done with it. Running more smaller agents may be cheaper for these guys as well. Agent is useless offline anyway, so they could spawn up little models that only ever handle tasks in this particular scope and arrange it in a mixture of experts architecture. Boom! You have a nice, cheap little model that obliterates even the latest Kimi models. And maybe you wanted to know Python and TypeScript? Great, another model for the combo. You see my point? The only reason they don't is because foundational models are still a little better in general tasks. Those are huge. They require hundreds of gigabytes of RAM. The prices to run them are astronomical, and this will not work in the long term. Consider this to be a heads up on what's to come. The consensus seems to be that you would prefer unlimited access to a limited model rather than the vice versa. Or at least this is what I prefer. I'll be damned if they get more than 20 bucks a month out of me. Even this is expensive. Stop wasting your money rebuilding Linux in Rust using Claude. Linux already exists, so this exercise is pointless. I've been advocating for people to get comfortable with AI for a while, but you people seem to have gotten a little too comfortable. I did too. The tokens were just so goddamn cheap. I couldn't help myself. But there's a silver lining to all of the latest AI first approaches. The pricing model does not scale. If it's expensive for you, imagine how much Microsoft has been paying for their hordes of engineers subscriptions. I think we're on the track to more rational approach. AI augmented engineers has a nice ring to it, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, does it mean that I am AI bro? Oh lord. Guys, I have become trash, the Viber of code. Thanks for watching. Like the video, takes me like a week to produce 3 minutes of fun. Subscribe, I'll try to put out a new rant every week. With this, you are dismissed.